Settling in a prefab house is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle choice that many people all over the country are happily taking up. It is also perfect as a holiday hideaway if you don't want to use it as your main house. And here, we're going to show you some of the best prefab and tiny houses that won't break the bank. This amazing tiny house, called a void, can be folded like a Swiss Army knife. It was designed by architect Leonardo di Chiara. It is one of the only small tiny houses on wheels ever built in Italy. A 9 square meter living space equipped with every comfort daily life needs. It is a fully accessorized small empty room where you can rest, cook, and study at the same time. Everything you need in this house is hidden on the walls. For instance, this hidden wall has a bed with a wardrobe that suits 2 people. There is also a smart kitchen area to make your daily meals. The more you open, the more you discover hidden devices and furniture, which makes the space more functional. For example, when you open the table at the end of the room, it turns into a dining table. Here you have a ladder that helps you climb to the rooftop. So, even in the smallest room, you do not have to give up the comforts of the regular home. Also, this house is built in with a hidden bathroom with a shower. Living in a void allows you to experiment with a new way of living completely off-grid. This house can be set up in just 1 hour in any environment. It is about 400 square feet with a price of $50,000. It arrives complete with everything you need to live comfortably, including a bathroom, full-size kitchen, sink, washer, dryer, fridge, stove, electricity, HVAC, and more. It's worth to mention the founder of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, rents this Boxabl tiny home in Boca Chica, Texas, where his SpaceX headquarters is located. Behind this glowing contemporary sliding barn door is a completely stunning full-size bathroom. Also, you can add a second floor to this house. How amazing is that? This Smartwood House is only about 260 square feet, but has a bedroom, living room, kitchen, and an enlarged dining table. The house is equipped with space-saving furniture, so you can make the best out of the home space. For example, this pull-out dining table ensures you have enough room space when not in use. Also, this bed combines storage with sleeping, which creates the ultimate space-maximizing centerpiece for your bedroom. Plus, this sofa can be converted into a bed, so you wouldn't be worried if you have extra guests. And of course, there is a bathroom with a shower. Steve Areen built this unique dome for under $9,000. He made this house out of natural materials. This piece of art sits in the middle of a mango farm that belongs to Steve's friend Hajar Gibran. This house was built in just over 6 weeks. Steve added his own details to it, including the handmade front door, upstairs hammock, pond, stonework, and landscaping. Some of the most beautiful features of this home are the bathroom made from local river stones and the natural bamboo sink faucet. The home's large round windows are screened against insects and act as curved seating areas. This unique, ultra-modern tiny home is designed by Gilsu Kim from South Korea. It has an undergarage and living space at the top. It's ideal for those who want to build a modern home with everything one needs.